Alright, part 2, guys. How to get backlinks. Forgot a couple other points that are very important. I completely forgot, but it's a very important factor. Is to focus on link building. So you want to, so whatever niche that you're part of, you want to try and link up with all the influencers of your niche, and you want to try and propose a guest post. So what I mean is, so when you're in my previous video, I was talking about, either utilizing the blog route or making videos or running ads, right? Or posting on social media. So you want to try and do like a joint venture, right? So if you were leaning towards blogging, because it's easy, it only just takes a little bit of research to write what you want to talk about. So you want to reach out. There's a lot of businesses that offer guest post opportunities, so just reach out to as many people as you can. It's difficult at first, especially when you're new, but it's extremely important if you can get some of your competitors to allow you to serve as their content provider, right? So you do all the work for them. You ask to host one of their blog, create a blog for them, and as long as it's of quality, they will allow you, but it's not going to be automatic. You have to reach out to a lot of people, but for the ones that do give you the chance, make sure you write a very good piece, and then in exchange they're going to allow you to drop one of your links, right? And if they could post it on their website, that's one of the best ways to get backlinks, especially is for a website has high domain authority, right? Of course, you're going to reach out to websites that have high domain authority. So guest post is one big thing you want to really add to your arsenal. It's like one of those things that could really make the difference for you, right? But it's not easy. But that don't mean you're not going to try. You're in business, so you should know nothing is easy. Same thing goes for somebody to mention you in a post on social media. So if you're following the social media route, some influencers, you could pay them to mention your brand, right? To drop their link in their profile. So in exchange for, you do something for them, or you pay a certain fee, but it's worth it because that's going to help you generate a lot of backlinks, right? When you're running ads, you can do a joint venture with other companies, especially companies that have a lot of, whether it's subscribers, followers, a big email list. If they can mention you in one of their newsletters, or if you guys can run a concurrent ad together, you guys can mention each other. So you got to be creative, right? If it's videos, maybe you're in podcasts or YouTube videos, you can ask to be a guest, right, in a podcast. So you reach out to a bunch of influencers and ask them, hey, I'm interested to talk about this topic. Could I be in one of your videos, right? That's also an awesome way for link building. So link building is such a big deal. That's why I had to make part 2 to mention it, so you guys are up to speed. Okay, so until next video.